What is up, people? Boba Diaz Adventures here. How you guys doing today? Today's video is gonna be about how I take macro photography. So let's go. Now these are the lenses I use for macro photography. Not this one. This one is regular, but I can switch to Alright guys, well, this is my macro photography settings where I'm gonna be shooting with let's get more batteries for the camera. So today I decided to come and show you guys how I take my macro photography. They're painting right here. I'm here at Cesar's Park. So let's go. So to take macro pictures outside, it takes a lot of patience because it could be like windy right now and you're trying to focus and start moving. So yeah. So thanks for watching, guys, this video. Share with your friends, family, people, everybody, so they can learn how to take macro photography. And it's really easy as long as you have a really good camera where you can swipe the lens. There you go. Couple of lens will work. And see you next time. I have tomorrow a photography battle with 4 of my friends. They also are photographers, and we're gonna do some light painting tomorrow at 5. So stay tuned, subscribe for the next video, hit the bell for early notifications so you can see all my videos. So stay tuned. Peace. And remember, keep dreaming, because dreams come true. See you next time in 2020. Yo.